Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning student. How are you today? I hope you are fine. By Hakka Waikret, study hard no matter if it takes time, no matter if you have to up all night. Just remember that feeling of success is the best thing in entire world. Kutipan oleh Hakka Waikret, belajar giat tidak perlu butuh waktu. Tidak peduli Anda harus bergadang semalaman. Ingat saja perasaan sukses adalah hal terbaik di seluruh dunia. Next. Objective learning. Student, I remind you to be able to understand about the definition of procedure text, types or form of procedure text, example manual, communicative purpose of procedure text, generic structure of procedure text, language feature of procedure text. What is procedure text? Procedure text is a kind of the text that is designed to describe how something is changed, made or done through a sequence of steps or action. Jadi, prosedur teks itu sebuah teks yang memberikan informasi tentang cara membuat dan mengerjakan sesuatu. Type or form. Type, receipt, for example, how to make dalgona coffee. Manual, how to use snipping tool. Tips, how to keep your body fit. Jadi dalam prosedur teks ada 3 jenis, yaitu pertama resep, how to make dalgona coffee, bagaimana cara membuat kopi dalgona. Jadi ini intinya, kalau resep biasanya berhubungan dengan makanan atau minuman. Kedua, manual, how to use snipping tool. Di sini bagaimana cara penggunaan snipping tool, atau bisa juga kita misalkan membeli sebuah pipi, di sana ada cara penggunaan. Dan yang ketiga, tips, how to keep your body fit, bagaimana untuk menjaga kesehatan tubuh. Home appliances, electronic device and computer software. Alright children, let me start from this question. Do you have any electronic appliances at home? TV, CD player, cellular phone, or any kind of them? And do you know how to use them? Or can you tell us how to do it? Good. When you tell your friend how to use the appliances that make a procedure text in the form of manual. And that is the thing we are going to focus on our learning today. And at the end of the session, you are supposed to be able to compose a manual of simple electronic devices or computer software. Okay, let's see of example a manual here. Well children, sometimes we need a picture of what's on the desktop to be put in the document or to be sent to other people. Then how to do it? Okay, there are many ways to deal with this task. We can get it done with the snipping tool, the print screen menu. We can also use third party application and many other ways. But here, we are going to learn how to use the snipping tool to capture the screenshot or snip of the desktop using snipping tool. Alright, here are the steps to follow. Jadi di sini menjelaskan cara menangkap tangkapan layar desktop dengan menggunakan alat snipping tool. Next, how to capture the desktop screenshot using snipping tool. First, open snipping tool by clicking the start button on the start menu. Second, in the search box, type snipping tool and then in the list of results, click snipping tool. After that, click the arrow next to the new button and choose the snip mode. Click the new button and wait until the screen freezes. And then select the area by dragging the cursor around the area you want to capture. After you capture a snip, click the Save Snip button in the pop-up window. In the Save as dialog box, enter a name of the snip. Choose a location where to save the snip. Finally, click Save to save the snip in your computer. Communicative purpose. To explain the readers about how to do something or how to make something through a sequence of steps. So the communicative purpose of this manual is to explain how to capture a desktop screenshot by using snipping tool. Jadi tujuan komunikatif dari manual ini adalah untuk menjelaskan cara menangkap tangkapan layar desktop dengan menggunakan alat snipping tool. Next, generic structure. Go. This part states what to make or what to do. In this case, how to capture a desktop screenshot using snipping tool. Jadi generic structure, goal adalah tujuan. Bagian ini menyatakan apa yang harus dibuat dan apa yang harus dilakukan. Dalam hal ini, cara menangkap tangkapan layar desktop menggunakan alat snipping tool. Material. This part contains the things that are needed to do. In this case, no material needed. Dalam alat bagian ini berisi hal-hal yang perlu dilakukan. Dalam hal ini tidak ada bahan yang dibutuhkan. Steps. This part tells the sequence of action to get the thing done. First, open snipping tool by clicking the start button on the start menu. Bagian ini menceritakan urutan tingkatan tindakan untuk menyelesaikan sesuatu. In the search box, type snipping tool. Language feature. Language feature simple present tense. Function to express general facts. Imperative, open snipping, click the save button to give command. Temporal conjunction, the first, second, after that, then, finally, to indicate action order. The last, adverbial in the search box after you capture to state detailed fact. Jadi dalam ciri kebahasaannya, feature simple present mengungkapkan fakta umum. Imperatif memberi perintah. Temporal conjunction menunjukkan urutan tindakan seperti pertama, satu, kedua, setelah itu, kemudian, dan pada akhirnya. Adverbial untuk menyatakan fakta rinci. Jadi, pada kesimpulannya, manual bertujuan bagaimana melakukan sesuatu atau bagaimana membuat sesuatu melalui urutan langkah. Dan yang kedua, langkah-langkah bagian ini memberitahu urutan tindakan untuk menyelesaikan sesuatu. Summary, manual are how to something or how to make something through a sequence of steps. Manual are the steps describe tell the sequence of action to get the thing done. Sebelum mengakhiri pertemuan ini, Ibu akan memberikan tugas kepada kalian. Compose a manual textbook using a simple electronic device or computer software. Goal, steps or method. Jadi kalian membuat teks prosedur manual dari barang elektronik atau sebuah komputer. Di sana harus ada tujuan, step atau langkah-langkah atau metode. Okay, student, that's all our topic today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.